Hi folks, I am solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 1046. Last stone, we are given an array of integer stones where stone at I is the weight of that stone. We are playing a game with stone in which we choose two of the heaviest stones and smash that together. While smashing, if both stones are equal, then both are destroyed. But if it's not equal, then the stone with higher weight should be subtracted from stone with lower weight. And at the end, there is at most one stone left, and if there is no stone left, we have to return 0. The question is pretty straightforward since we are given everything needs to be done. Now let's take this example, and it is mentioned on each turn we should choose two heaviest stones. So here if you see, one is 7 and another one is 8. We will pick these two, smash this, and the result of this is 1. So we should add 1 here. On the second iteration, we will choose these two, and 4 minus 2 is our 2. So we are left is 1 1 1 2. Now the heaviest among these are this 2 right here and any of the ones. So let's take this one itself. So the result of this would be, and these two will be gone. And now we have 3 ones left since it was equal, both are destroyed, and this is the one which we are left with, and this is what we will return. There are multiple ways to solve this. One could be by using sorting, but the time complexity and the number of operations that we need to handle will be too much. But there is an easier way to solve this by using max heap. And we don't have to deal with any of the operations because we know when we will pop the elements out of these max heap, we will get the highest of whatever is present in the list. Now let's look at the code on how we can solve this. So we can define our max heap, which is defined by max priority queue in JavaScript. And now let's add all the stones in our heap. So now we will run this until the size of this heap is greater than 1, because we can have at most one element here. And here we can pop our list 2 times to get like the stone 1 and stone 2. So this will be our x and this will be our y. Now we have to add a new element only if our x is not equal to y, because x is the maximum value that our heap has. If x is not equal to y, then we have to push x minus y to our heap, like whatever is the result. And if these two are equal, then we don't have to do anything. Now while returning, we can check if our max heap dot size is equal to 1. If this is the case, then we can return the element which is left in our heap, or we can return 0 as it was given in the question here. Now the time complexity for this, since this requires log n operations, but this is happening n times, so overall the time complexity in the worst case becomes O of n log n, and we are using n extra space for our heap. And yep, that completes our solution. So now let me try to run this. It works. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel, and thank you so much for watching.